how to see who follows you on Threads. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Threads application, and here it will lead you to your homepage, basically your feed area where you can see a lot of posts from here. And on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there, right? Now, I want you to focus on the profile icon there. Tap on that and it will lead you to your profile area, basically your own post area. And then on the upper right, you'll see the menu or the settings icon there. It's actually beside the Instagram icon. Tap on that and it will lead you to your settings. Now, here on settings, what I want you to do next is to focus on privacy. So under privacy, you will see a lot of options, right? So here you will see private profiles, mentions, muted, hidden, and profiles you follow. So tap on profiles you follow there, and here you will see followers, following, and pending. So since you want to see who follows you on Threads, then tap on followers here, and basically you will see all the people or accounts that follows you on Threads. Now, beside their name, let's say you don't want them to follow you, you can actually tap on remove, and basically they won't be following you anymore. And basically that is how you see who follows you on Threads. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.